Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to design your own personalized calendar, maybe for your office, your home, or even as a thoughtful gift, you're in the right place. Because in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create your own calendar in Canva, step by step, and the best part, you can do it in under 5 minutes. So stick around till the end because I'll also show you how to download it perfectly for printing or sharing online. Access Canva all right. First things first, open your browser and head over to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, just sign up for free. It only takes a few seconds. Once you're in, go to the search bar at the top and type calendar. You'll instantly see hundreds of professionally designed calendar templates, from minimal and modern to colorful and artistic. This is the fun part. Scroll through and pick the style that matches your vibe or your project theme. Choose and customize. After you find a design you like, just click on it to open it in the Canva editor. Now you can start making it truly yours. Change the background colors to match your brand or home decor. Try out different fonts, maybe something bold for a modern look or handwritten for something more personal. Canva gives you full creative control, so don't hesitate to experiment a bit. Personalize the design next. Let's make it even more personal. Replace any placeholder images with your own photos, maybe family pictures, travel memories, or product shots if it's for your business. You can easily upload images by clicking Uploads on the left panel and dragging your photos right in. Then, update the year to 2025. This part's important. Just double click the text showing the year and change it manually. And if you want, adjust dates, events, or even add motivational quotes for each month. That's what makes your calendar one of a kind. Download your calendar. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save it. Click the download button in the top right corner. You'll see a few options. If you want to print it, choose PDF, print for the best quality. If you're planning to share it digitally, go with PNG or JPG format. Hit download and Canva will prepare your calendar in seconds. And that's it. You just created your very own custom calendar in Canva. Whether it's for organizing your goals, decorating your workspace, or giving as a creative gift, you now have a calendar that's 100% yours. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss my next Canva or design tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.